The switch is not in a very good place. It's down there where my little finger is. It could be a bit better designed. I'm trying to film it at the same time so you can see what it's like. There. So that's the fan going. It's lovely. It says what it's advertised. So, but you've got to press the little switch hard. We'll do it against the wall. And then it will stop. Might take 1 or 2 attempts. Just press it, hold it in hard. Let's try again. This is not the easiest fan actually. But I managed to do it. It takes a little while to get the neck of it. Also, this loop was the hardest loop I have ever threaded in my whole life. It took me 20 minutes because you've got to feed it through one point there, and it becomes almost impossible to get it through the other side. I managed to force it through with a very, very tiny pair of tweezers, so I got it through. The flashlight is lovely. The flashlight, you close the fan up. I'm trying to do it one-handed because I'm filming. There, that's the fan closed up, so that's the whole thing. Then you press hard, long flash to get the torch. It's lovely, you know. And then you press long again to switch it off. It's very good value for money. Also, it doubles up as a power bank for your phone. So it's a very clever piece of kit for holiday. But because of the switches, I got arthritis in my thumb. I'm going to give it 4 stars. But I'm very glad I bought it for my friend who's travelling abroad tomorrow. Cheerio!
So we have the USB chargers, and then we have a torch.
So this is how it looks, like a little rabbit. It does come with one of these that you can put on, so if you wanted it around your wrist, if you was going around the pool or somewhere when you're hot. And then you just put your thumb on this bottom bit here and push. It brings it out for you. And as you can see there, it's got 2 little ports there, so you're able to charge your phone or a device that needs charging, because this doubles up as a power bank as long as it's got battery. Press this button here and it puts the fan on. That's speed 1. As you can see by the way it moves the paper, it's, you know, for a small fan, it's giving out enough to cool you down in the moment. That's it going faster, as you can see, pushing the paper away. It has got a bit of a loud sound to it, but again, for the price, if you just want something quick to pull out your bag and keep you cool, it's alright. Turn it off, and once it closes down, you can just fold it back away to go back in your bag. So you can use it as a charger whilst it's folded, but also if you press this button here, it gives you a little torch, just in case you ever needed to light up your path. Overall, pretty good.
Really excellent little fan. It has two settings. There's an even faster one. But the thing is, and you see it just stops and then you can fold it up. But the lovely thing is, if you use it with something like a facial spray, this is from Lidl or Aldi, and just give that a couple of squirts and then turn the fan on, it is really quite something. And it just folds up to that. And there's the recharge. It has the 2 recharging ports. And that's literally it. You can... Oh, there's a torch. Yeah, there's a torch in the bottom. I'd forgotten about that. Anyway, it's excellent. Very, very well worthwhile having. But as I say, if you have the any spray that you can spray on your face in the heat, it makes all the difference.
We'll definitely fit in a purse or something.